Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute since I haven't updated you guys on the Mark 6 GTI. Today we're gonna go pick up the wheels and tires, giving this car a completely different look, more aggressive look. And yeah, soon we're ordering parts for the vehicle, so we're gonna come in, make the car maybe a little faster. I don't know. Stick around and find out. To pick up the tires. Yesterday the guy couldn't make it, but today we're on our way. Man, I can't wait, bro. I'm so excited. We're just about a couple minutes away. I'm actually really excited. Here we go. Time for a moment of truth. We're gonna change the wheels on the GTI. Oh damn, that was actually close. Ooh. Let's go look at that. We'll see a better angle from this side. Dang. Alright, we'll see. Drop the goddamn lock. Let me fix that too. Damn it, I don't even know. Please, oh Lord. Please. Ooh. Ooh, man, that looks spicy already. Oh man. Oh. Uh-oh, well, that's gonna be a problem. The lock's gonna be an issue. I'm gonna have to buy one more of these. For sure. No, man. Coming out. Whoa, ho, 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 God. It's coming off. Yo. Check out the car though. Oh, damn. It's a big gap. In the orange springs. Coilovers. So I'll be doing a brief walk around of what I have done to the car so far. So a couple more upgrades to come. But as of right now, it's has upgraded headlights. Has a Mark 7 lip. It bows up a little bit on the ends. We'll fix that, but as of now, it's just gonna stay like that. I did upgrade these orange side markers to these white ones, and then we have the wheels NKs, RPF ones, wrapped around some hand cooks. I think that's V12 Evo 2s. We have the little GTI logo right there. A little hard to see. No side skirts yet, but we will get some. We have my Instagram. Follow me if you want to see more content. A Legends peaker. In the back, stock tail lights. We will get upgraded ones. I want to see if they make like a Mark 7 style headlight for the 6, because I don't like those. I like the 6, but they already came up with a Mark 7 style headlights. I have the R headlights right now, so for the 6. So since they came out with the 7 headlights, I'm pretty sure they're gonna come out with some sort of like 7 tail lights. Upgraded the license plate lights, so a brighter light. You can tell them, look around, you'll see it. I also added a diffuser just for looks, so it doesn't look so empty in the back. I do need to like repaint this because it's some plastic material and it's looks faded already. I do need to upgrade my exhaust as well. And it came with these little fin things that I actually like. I didn't really care for them at first, but I think it looks really cool. So besides that, on the car, I don't think there's nothing much to it. On the inside, you see inside, I have a little bit of carbon here. Don't mind my broken phone. Carbon here and carbon right there. Besides that, I think the engine bay, I don't have much to it. And I have another, I think 2 more mods. I guess it counts as 1, but I have the R intake. I think this is the VWR, I think, or something like that. I have to check, but it's like the Volkswagen Racing intake. I bought this off somebody, so I think they just slapped the R sticker there. That's the VWR logo. I also have a little breather filter from APR, and the things you can't see. Oh, I need to change that. I think this one was cooking from here. I need to change this, everyone. And this, I hate this. I need to change it, but little by little. The other mod I do have in the engine bay, or I guess it's by the turbo side. It is going to be a diverter valve. I have a DV Plus diverter valve, and I added a ECS tuning spacer, so it makes a blow-off sound without actually having a blow-off valve. I've heard that it's good and bad, so I don't know. So far it's been pretty good. And battery is going to die, so I'm gonna end it here, and I'm gonna update you guys later when I get more stuff for the car. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for sticking around, and thank you for watching the channel. See you guys later.